Preventive and emergency care plans, what every family in the US and Canada needs to know. If a medical or household emergency happened right now, would you know exactly what to do? Most people think they're prepared, but when real emergencies hit, confusion and panic take over. That's why having a clear preventative and emergency care plan is one of the most important steps you can take to protect yourself, your family, and your long-term health. Preventative care is more than just routine checkups. It includes early screenings, risk assessments, lifestyle planning, home safety strategies, and knowing which healthcare services are available in your area. In the United States and Canada, preventative care can significantly reduce long-term medical costs, improve response time during critical events, and help avoid complications that could have been prevented with early action. Emergency care planning is equally essential. Every household should have a structured plan outlining who to call, where to go, and what actions to take in the first minutes of a crisis. That includes understanding local emergency numbers, having a list of urgent care centers and hospitals nearby, knowing the basic steps for rapid response, and keeping important personal health information easily accessible. Small actions taken early can make a major difference in protecting your health and safety. If this topic is already making you think about your own situation, pause for a moment. Would your family know what to do if an emergency happened tomorrow? And if the answer is no, this video might be exactly what you needed. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share your own experience in the comments, and send this video to a friend. This information may help someone more than you realize. Now, let's break down what an effective preventative and emergency care plan actually includes. Start with a personal health record that stores essential medical information. Add an updated list of medications, contacts for primary care providers, and details on allergies or chronic conditions. Identify the nearest urgent care clinics, emergency rooms, and telehealth services available in your region. Create a simple action checklist for common scenarios like sudden illness, injuries, or home emergencies. Finally, review your plan regularly. Emergency readiness is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that adapts as your health, your household, and your environment change. A well-prepared plan gives you confidence, reduces stress, and ensures that you and your loved ones stay protected. Prevention and preparation are two of the strongest tools you have. Take the first step today, because when the unexpected happens, preparation becomes everything.